Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial I introduce the best website to pay you if you watch the ads, and they pay you instantly. You can earn much more coins you want. The website is this one is the website. The link in description. Check the link. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can log in and you can earn some coins from this account. Okay, first of all, how we can log in. Just I log out my account. This one is advertisement website. They pay this as Bitcoin, and this is the click, and this is the users to work in here. Just click in register. Fill this all username, email, Bitcoin wallet address. If you have Faucet Pay account, go to deposit and click this wallet address and come here, paste it in here. This website pay you in your Faucet Pay or your direct account. I use Faucet Pay because Faucet Pay is a micro wallet, and this website don't have the minimum withdrawal. Okay, now I'm going to log in my account. Okay, now I'm logging. This is my withdrawal. Just 3 minutes ago I withdraw my funds 11 Satoshi in my Faucet Pay. How we can earn in here, just you can visit the hats, click the visit hats. This website is new, don't have much more ads. Just click this one. This one told you 20 seconds long, and 11 Satoshi this website pay you. Just watch this website. Okay, I watch 20 seconds. This one tell me to fill the capture. The capture told me bicycle. I click the bicycle that I see in this pics and click check. This one is check it and click submit. Okay, now you see this one pay me 11 Satoshi. I come here and you can see, go to your overview. This one pay you 11 Satoshi. Your balance is 11 Satoshi, and you can withdraw it if you want more Faucet. If you want to earn more Bitcoin, just come here, click earn more and click short links. This is the all short links you can complete. If you can complete this all short links, you can instantly withdraw in your account. You can just go to Faucet list. This website have Faucet list, and you can watch the Faucet list of this website. Okay, and you can do one thing else. You can complete the offer wall, offer links, and they pay you much more. If you want Faucet, just click Faucet. This website have Faucet. Every 30 minutes you can claim 1 up to 30 Satoshi. Every time you claim, just click claim. Okay, if you click the claim, this page pop up, and you can click I'm not a robot. It's capture. Fill this capture, and you can click your claims. I think this one is bicycle. Okay, this is no other bicycle in here. Just click check. Okay, this one told me correct. Click reward. Okay, this one pay me 8 Satoshi and the timer is on. You can claim every 30 minutes. And now if I go to my account, this one is my balance. I want to withdraw in my Faucet Pay. Just now I have 26 BTC. The last withdrawal I do with this one, and click withdraw direct address or Faucet Pay. I just click Faucet Pay. Your password you use to log in this website. I type my password, and this one pay me this Satoshi. This one is the payment result, and I come here, refresh my page. Okay, you see my Bitcoin is going up, and this one pay me 100% free Bitcoin mining website. If you want this website link in description, go to the link and come here, register yourself, and you can make much more money. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel and watch more videos and realistic earning. Goodbye for now.